Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an Astro Web Pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical operations and generating arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs, and Access3D enables 3D plotting in matplotlib. So now we'll generate the spiral coordinates theta. So here 500 angle values it creates from 0 to 8 pi. And here 500 evenly spaced height z-axis values it creates. And here it creates radius growth with height, which is a parabolic growth. So theta controls the angle of rotation spiral, and z gives us the vertical position, and r defines the radial distance from the center that makes the spiral expand outwards. And now we'll convert the polar to Cartesian coordinates. So this converts polar coordinates r and theta to Cartesian coordinate x and y for 3D plotting. And now we'll create the web grid, which is a circular mesh. So this creates 50 angles around the circle. This creates 10 radius from the center to edge. And this create coordinate grid for the circular web. And here x coordinate of circular mesh is created. Now we'll create y coordinate. This create wavy pattern for the z height of the web. So this line generates a circular web-like mesh with sinusoidal wavy distortion. And now we'll initialize the 3D plot. So this line creates a figure. And this adds a 3D subplot a 3D plotting area is set up with specified size, and now we'll plot the spiral structure. So this is the main spiral thread that plots the white spiral, which is thread of the web. Now we'll add web layers in 3D. So this position 10 web layers along z-axis. So this adds 10 translucent web layers with a light sine wave pattern where Z web plus I moves each circular mesh vertically. And now we'll style the plot. So ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot with font size 16 and a color, and ax.setFaceColor, this sets a 3D plot background with a black color. So ax.gridlineFalse removes the grid lines from the plot, and ax.axisOff remove the axis from the plot, and these enhances the sci-fi space theme with black background and a set highlights color. Now at last we will display the plot. So plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see an Astro Web Pattern. So thanks for watching this video.